Hey, what's up? This is Sarah Lee Day, and you're watching Dubsado Tidbits, the things you need to know about Dubsado delivered in bite-sized pieces. Today we're going to finish up with the last main feature that Dubsado has to offer, and that is integrations. Integrations are really great, especially if you're already using any of the integration partners that Dubsado has, so including G Suite, Square, PayPal, Stripe, iCloud, Zapier, QuickBooks Online, or CloudSpot. If you're already using any of those or you plan to use those in your business, there's already a direct integration that you can set up with Dubsado for those. Just a quick overview of each of these. G Suite and iCloud are going to be for your email and calendar syncs. You can sync other email and calendar accounts, but it's not a direct integration the way these ones are. Square, PayPal, and Stripe is all for payment processing, which we've actually already talked about that in a previous episode. Zapier can help you trigger all sorts of outside external actions, and that's just going to be based on a couple of different triggers within Dubsado can then trigger other things outside of Dubsado. QuickBooks Online, this will be for your bookkeeping and accounting records and reporting. And then CloudSpot is really more for photographers or people who are using photo galleries that can be integrated directly with Dubsado as well. So that is it. That wraps up our Dubsado features, the main features of Dubsado, and what makes it a really great platform. Tomorrow we're going to dive into actually creating accounts, how to set it up, and the next couple of episodes are going to be covering those basic settings, getting your general settings set up, and just getting started in Dubsado. So I'm really excited to move on to this next stage, and I'll see you then.